I'm Eric Nelson with Warner Electric Supply, Product Manager for Industrial Control, Sensor, and Safety Products. And today I'd like to talk about the new 45 LUM luminescence sensor. The luminescence sensor is a sensor that detects luminescence or fluorescence particles that are inherent in objects such as glues, inks, paper, clear labels, and clear seals on bottles such as this. The 45 LUM operation is it emits ultraviolet or UV light out of the sensor, and it detects the visible light that it reflects back off the objects that have ultraviolet or fluorescence in it. For example, I have a white piece of paper here, and the sensor itself, as you can see right here, it's got a green power light and the output light is off. If I put the white paper in front of it, the output light will turn on. Also, I have a sample here of a vitamin bottle. Vitamin bottle has a safety seal on it, clear safety seal, which is very difficult for detecting with a sensor. So with that, using a UV sensor, you can see that the sensor does not detect the bottle itself, but when it sees the seal on here, you can see the blue light coming out of here is actually detecting the seal. So you get a consistent detection of the safety seal on the bottle. The specifications for the sensor are, this is a plastic housing. It's DC rated, so 24 volt, primarily 12 to 24 volts. The output is normally open. It's got a PNP solid state output, which is pretty typical for sensors. And of course, there's also a teach button on the top of it. The teach function is actually done through the push button on the top. The instructions are on the side of the unit, so very simple. It's a two-step process. Basically, you press the teach button for 3 seconds with no object in front of it. Then after that, you put the object in front of it that you want to sense, hold the button for a second, and you're done. So it locks it in there. So right there, your output light should change state based on looking at the safety seal, clear safety seal on a pill bottle. If you have any questions regarding the 45 LUM sensor or any other sensors from Allen-Bradley, please contact your local Warner representative.